Check in with our weather watchers this morning. Many spots reporting temperatures in the 20s, but it feels like the teens and single digits for most. We have actual numbers in the teens north and west. It feels like sub-zero for some. And a quick check on pictures because Chris Bertuzzi, one of our weather watchers, says, hey, introduce everybody to our new dog, Rose. So welcome to the Bertuzzi family, Rose. And we're so happy. You look like somebody who might be a shelter dog. So I'm very proud of you. And we wish you a beautiful life together. Let's go ahead and give you a look live outside right now. Show you what things are looking like high above the skyline. It's not this beautiful shade of orange from this vantage point, but nonetheless, skies are mostly clear. It is windy, 25, feeling like 10 right now in the city. What can you expect? Bright, but cold and windy today. Winds will gust 30 to even 40 miles per hour at times. Then tomorrow night, we're looking at some light snow. Mainly just some snow showers. Best bet for any accumulation will be south of the city. As we make our way Monday night into Tuesday, a bigger system rolls on in. With this, we're going to see it start as snow. And yes, we could get some accumulations. The kiddos, well, they might not have school on Tuesday. I'll put that out there. It's a possibility for some. But ultimately, it ends as rain. So most of the snow, which basically seems to be par for the course this year, will get melted away by Tuesday afternoon. And then prolonged icing is possible north and west with that system. As we look at your temperature trend, well, certainly it got beautiful yesterday afternoon after a soggy start. 55 degrees was the high. Today, 35, feeling like the teens and 20s. 37 tomorrow, but not windy. Thus, the wind chills won't be so significant. Monday, 40 degrees for your high. Snow update, we're well below the normal right now by about half. Last winter we had, well, 19 plus inches on the grid. Spring, let's talk about spring. It's had a lot of spring-like feel days in the past. 39 days officially away, but my goodness, with so many days in the 50s and 60s, it's felt more reminiscent of spring lately than winter, especially with all the big swings that we've endured. What's happening overhead? High pressures in control. Skies today will be bright, but again, those winds will be cranking. This is just for today. As we make our way forward into the forecast, the pattern becomes more unsettled. So we have a little bit of action Sunday night into Monday, bigger activity Monday night into Tuesday, and another chance for some wet weather even later in the week. So active as we go through the next several days. Hour by hour today, it is going to be bright and clear, very lovely if you're looking from inside to outside. Overnight, clear and cold. Then tomorrow, we start off with sun and end with cloud cover. It is Sunday night into early Monday. A few snow showers are possible. This is not a big deal, folks. We might see a coating in some spots, but best bet for anything more than that would be south of the city. As we make our way through Monday, the clouds will be on the return Monday night into Tuesday morning. It will start as snow and ultimately transition to rain by midday Tuesday. But notice a lot of pink. This is that potential for icing. And of course, when it gets icy, that's when things get really ugly out there. By Wednesday morning, the wet weather is clearing. And yes, we could get some accumulations with that system, maybe 1 inch to 3 inches in the city before we see a transition to rain. And again, that's focusing on the Monday night to Tuesday system. So today, tomorrow, mid-30s, cold, as it should be. It's winter. Monday, more seasonable, 40. And then it is Monday night to Tuesday. Things get very messy. Wednesday will clear for a bit with some more wet weather in the forecast to wrap the week.